So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app exclusive deals not working, eligibility and location tips. Fix 1 is clear app cache and data. For Android, navigate to your phone setting, then select apps from the menu. Find and tap on McDonald's, then go to storage setting. Tap on clear cache, then clear data. In iOS, press and hold the McDonald's app icon, then tap remove app to uninstall it. Reinstall the app from the app store. Second fix is check the app rule. One deal or reward can be used every 15 minutes. Deals cannot be combined with reward point item in the same transaction. Deals are specific to certain regions. Ensure GPS location service are enabled and set to while using the app. Third fix is fix connection issue. Turn off Wi-Fi by swiping down the notification panel and disconnecting. Use cellular data to force the app to reload with 4G or 5G. Turn off VPN by disconnecting from any active VPN as it blocks non-local IP address. Fourth fix is refresh your account. Open the McDonald's app and navigate to the account tab. Then tap on sign out. Force close the app completely, then reopen the app. Log back in into your account. Attempt your transaction again. Thanks for watching.